What's up guys, this is Sam CR and today I will unbox this Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker. I have purchased it for Rs 700 from the market and the MRP given on the box is Rs 777. On the front of the box, here we can see the image of the speaker itself along with some functions provided by the speaker. On the back, there is a technical specification like output power, battery capacity, Bluetooth version and Bluetooth range along with weight and dimension. The net weight of the device is 175 gram only, so it's very easy to carry the device anywhere. One thing which I don't like about this device is the battery capacity. The battery capacity provided in this device is 400 mAh only, which is very less these days. Here are some functions provided by the speaker. So let's unbox it. Opening the box, we can see the device itself along with a user manual and a data cable. Keeping it aside, coming to the data cable. The data cable is 2-in-1 solution, that is from USB to micro USB for charging and from micro USB to the audio jack for playback. Coming to the device comes with black matte finish and on the speaker grill there is a orange color lining. So guys, one thing I have noticed that here is only a mono setup of a speaker, that there is only single speaker, while on the box there we can see two speaker setup, that is stereo type. But it's not here. I don't know it is a net picking or some upgrade in the speaker, but let's see it. On the top there are 4 buttons. One button is for power off on, one for decreasing and increasing the volumes, and one for play or pause or changing the modes. Here is a notification LED also. On the back there is a slot for memory card, a micro USB slot and USB slot. Here is also a reset pin. Here are some audio samples of the device which you can check and see how the device works.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.